the catch up say Ebo Noah. Your man will invite her, man back. God reveals to redeem. Now Nyame charge ya bumpire, what bumpire, now Nyame empty. And the second advice, let's party! Baby, you got me Black Tuesday. But that's the thing about me, who's the level of taste of grace.